ጎይታ እንታይ ይብለና? ንሞት ኣይትፍርሕዋ፣ ንሓጢኣት ግን ፍርሕዋ። እዚኣ ኸ in memories of those righteous souls, የሕዋትና ፋሚሊና who were massacred during the genocide in Tigray. ምሳና እዮም ዘለዉ ይዛረቡና እዮም። ግና ኸ ፅን ኢልና ክንሰምዖም ኣለና። ይብሉና please don't be sad, don't cry. We have been liberated from suffering, torment, and cruelty of this evil world. We are praying for all of you, especially for those who murdered us and who continue to commit murder. Hell is not a place for any human beings. We are grateful for those who have done us wrong. They actually helped us achieve virtues to pass on to the next life. We now have a glorified body, shining like stars. Why wouldn't anybody want to be here with Jesus and all the communion of saints? We are now with our families and friends that were here before us. Some we are meeting for the first time. They were so thrilled to see us. We've never been so happy. There is no words to describe our joy. And we look forward to seeing you here. But please, do not let the enemy, Satan, keep you away from your destiny. Keep your hearts free from hatred, resentment, anger. Learn to accept what God has allowed. When we took our last breath, we were not alone. Jesus was with us, holding our hands. We did not even feel the pain. In a blink of an eye, we were present with the Lord. We are praying for you, for strength, endurance, and for you to accept God's holy will. His will is always perfect. We love you, our dear family of Tigray. Our prayers are always with you, and victory is around the corner. God's will be done. I would also like to remember my beautiful husband, my beloved husband, Haile Hagos, the father of my children, who left us on March 6, 2022. He is now with his family watching over us. He said to me, if only God would give me time, just few years, just so I will have time to settle my kids. But he said, if not, his will be done. And we know God's will is perfect. All glory and honor belongs to Him.
እግዚአብሔር ዝበሎ እስዩ ዝኸውን